It's Labmas Day 5 and I have another dupe for you. We're going to be duping Cerave Moisturiser. This has been highly requested. I looked at all the ingredients and I've worked out what I think the formula is, or at least the best I can do it. That's in a PDF and it's all described on Patreon, so if you want the formula for this with all the percentages and reasoning behind it, you can get that on Patreon, link below. Remember that duping is just a little bit of fun to help us be better formulators, and it'll never be the same as the original because we don't have the same manufacturing processes, suppliers, etc. But this is my best guess. I think it turned out pretty well. So let's get on with it. We're making a 200 gram batch today. So first you saw me with my water and my glycerin. I added sodium phytate, which is a chelating agent, to the water, and now I'm going to pour it into my glycerin and then stir it around to mix it together. I then put that to the side so that I can work on my oil phase, for which I have caprylic capric triglycerides, followed by some BTMS 25, this is the emulsifier, followed by some cetyl alcohol, which is a thickener and also a co-emulsifier. Then we have Cetireth 20, which is yet another emulsifier. These are all listed in the ingredients list. And then polysorbate 20, which is a solubilizer. So I'm adding all of these in, and these are my best guess percentages based on where they were in the ingredients list and usage rates and how they'd work together, etc. Like I said, that's all in the PDF available on Patreon. So this is my oil phase. I'm just going to mix that around a little bit, get my water phase back, weigh the water phase and note down the weight including the beaker, because you'll need to replace any water lost to evaporation after it's heated. And we've just heated that in a water bath for a little while till the oil phase is melted and both phases are about the same temperature. And now I can pour the water phase into the oil phase and stick blend at high shear to bring this to emulsion. Once that's at emulsion, I'll just give it a little stir and take the temperature. We want this to cool down to 40 degrees C or below so that we can add our cool down phase, so I'm going to leave it for just a little bit. For the cool down phase, we're using this Ceramide complex from Labmas Cosmetics in the EU, and this lists basically all the ceramides and ingredients that are in the Cerave Moisturising Lotion, so I suspect they're using something similar. So I've gone by usage rates and suggested percentages by Labmas Cosmetics, and we're going to add this into our cool down phase along with some dimethicone, some vitamin E and our preservative, for which I'm using phenoxyethanol EHG. In case you're wondering, ceramides help to improve the skin's barrier function, moisturise and protect the skin, which is why it is added into this lotion. You can see the beautiful texture we've got now that this is fully cooled down, and we're adding our cool down phase, and we'll stir it round really well until it's thoroughly incorporated, and then we will need to check the pH. Now going to take and adjust the pH. Cerave's own lotion says it's a 5.68, so I want to aim for around that. And then I'm just getting a piping bag and filling that up, because it's going to be the easiest way to fill the bottle. And you can see the beautiful texture we've got. It's very like the original, so I'm very pleased with this. just got these bottles off Amazon as they were about the right size and they looked similar without being the same. So we're just going to pop this in here and then we'll do a demo. So here we go. It looks like lotion, it feels like lotion, it smells like lotion, though there's no fragrance, but you could add one if you wanted to. It's not overly festive, but this was a highly requested dupe, so I thought I'd get round to it eventually. And here we go. Goes on nicely, feels nicely, feels nice. I hope you like it. I hope you like all of these dupes and Christmas things I'm doing. Enjoy making this, enjoy customising it, and as usual, thank you to everyone that's watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Formulas on Patreon where you can join all of these lovely people plus more if you want to, and I will see you tomorrow for something else.